Hi everybody, welcome to our Shumatt's channel. This is Kathleen. Today the product we want to share with you is our hot sealing valve assembly. And now let's take a look. Firstly, I will show you the outside package, the blue VCI anti-rust bag. Here this is the label. And the first line of the label is our Shumatt's brand. And the second one is the F00RJ02235. This is the product code. Actually, we support customized service. We can help our customers to design the logo label packages, all the details. And in the inside of it is the transparent bottles can be better protect the inside product during the transportation. Now let's check the inside part. One layer oil paper to wrap it up. Each product 6 months warranty time. You got the quality guaranteed. For this one, let's take a look. This one, apply cable for inject number is 04451200101, and apply cable for vehicle car is ASHOKLEYLAND. Look at the valve cap. There is the coating figures and the groove. This is the valve rod. Actually, if you want to install the valve assembly, first step I suggest you to make sure the valve cap in right position, and the second step is make sure the valve rod can be moved smoothly up the injector body. That's the small tips. Okay, so much for today's product introduction. Thank you for watching. Let's see you next time. I wish you have a good day. Bye.